Welcome back, viewers. In our last video, we learned how to run Node.js app with Docker. In this video, we will learn how to create and attach volume to the containers. By default, Docker containers are ephemeral, so it loses the data when it dies or terminate. But sometimes there is a need to have persistent storage. For example, to store temporary log, data feeds, or the database files. To create a volume, we can use docker volume create command. So let's go ahead and create a volume. So docker volume create followed by the volume name. Okay, we can use docker volume list to see all the available volumes. So we can observe our newly created volume here. Also, we can use docker volume inspect followed by the volume name. So we can observe on a system, this is the path where the data will be stored. So let's go ahead and start a container. In this example, I'll be using Reddish. So after run, we need to provide -v flag, which refers to the volume. So now we need to write the volume name, then colon, slash the mount point on the container. So now the Redis is started. At this moment, I have no data to write. So I'll just stop this Redis container and we'll see if it has created the files on the given mount. So which location to write, that is selected by the application. So if the application does not write to a default location, or if it writes to a place which is not a part of any mount or external volumes, so the application configuration can be changed to write at the location where the mounts are available. So we'll just go to the location and observe if the data have been created. All right. So dump.rdb has been created by the Reddish in the volume location. So Redis by default picks up slash data mount point as we had mapped in our previous command. So application needs to be configured to utilize that volume. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video.